Elon Musk continues to fight the US government for the opportunity to relaunch the Starship spacecraft in the near future. OpenAI suspended the development of GPT-5 because of safety concerns about the development of artificial intelligence, more powerful than GPT-4, which recently surpassed doctors in terms of empathy and competence. Google has announced a new generation of artificial intelligence that will change the world. And also several companies have presented their versions of a new generation of humanoid robots. All this and other technological news you will see right now. Enjoy watching. GPT-5 should not be expected in the near future. This, among other things, said the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman. At least now the company is not working on this project and has no plans to start. The media speculate that this is because of a recent open letter that was signed by a group of AI experts, which called for an immediate moratorium on all artificial intelligence labs, particularly OpenAI, for at least 6 months. Those involved in the letter expressed concerns about the security of future systems, but experts disagreed about the nature of the potential threat posed by artificial intelligence. However, just because OpenAI is not training GPT-5 models does not mean they have stopped extending GPT-4. OpenAI is reportedly still enhancing GPT-4 with various features, including connecting it to the internet. And based on past GPT releases, it is highly likely that the next GPT version will be GPT 4.5, not GPT 5. Now a few words about the GPT Chat itself, which continues to amaze researchers with its capabilities. Researchers at the University of California, San Diego, decided to test the GPT chatbot for online consultations on medical topics, and the chatbot really tried to replace doctors. The neural network not only gave more detailed and clear answers, but also showed much more empathy to patients. For the experiment, they took questions from the Reddit site. The site has a special service, Ask a Doctor, where users' questions are answered by professional doctors with proven qualifications. As it turned out, the answers of the neural network were much more detailed and useful than those of the doctors. And the evaluation was conducted by medical experts who didn't know which answers belonged to doctors and which to GPT Chat. As a result, they considered the GPT Chat answers to be better than the doctor's answers. But not everything is as good as it seems, as the chatbot can tell outright lies, and unfortunately, without specialized knowledge, it will be impossible to verify it. So in the near future, we will still consult with doctors. The US government has opened an investigation into the recent explosion of the Super Heavy rocket Starship. And the US government has suspended the Starship flight because of claims that the first launch spread potentially dangerous debris over homes and habitats of endangered animals. It is noted that the dirt and debris from testing the spacecraft has fallen on the inhabitants of the city of Port Isabel, which is located 10 kilometers from the launch pad. At the same time, Elon Musk said that SpaceX will fight for the continuation of the rocket Starship, and the company is ready to make the next launch Starship already in the second half of June. SpaceX recently submitted a request for permission to the US Federal Communications Commission. In the near future, we will see what the US authorities will respond to this request. Let's hope that Musk will be able to resolve all his issues. Will there be a successful relaunch of the Starship Super Heavy rocket? Share your opinion in the comments. Tesla recently released a video demonstrating how the company's humanoid robot has evolved over the past year. The video shows that the Tesla bot has become much faster to move, in particular to walk on 2 legs. At the same time, Tesla bot is able to build a map of the area with the help of photo sensors for better orientation. The machine is trained also with the help of neural networks. A person in a special suit performs certain actions, and the robot remembers them and then tries to reproduce them. Thus, he managed to successfully transfer things from one box to another. When the Tesla bot will go on sale has not yet been announced. It is expected that Elon Musk's company will start their active distribution after the release of the Cybertruck electric pickup truck. Google has decided to make the breakthrough that was mentioned by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. To achieve this, the company is merging 2 of its artificial intelligence laboratories, Google Brain and DeepMind. The new company will be called Google DeepMind. According to Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, this collaboration aims to develop revolutionary next-generation artificial intelligence products that will change the world. Moreover, these products will be strictly ethical. According to some reports, engineers are already working on artificial intelligence software intended to compete with OpenAI. Let's see what the company will unveil in the near future. Now let's move on to the latest robotics news. Toyota Research Institute opened its doors to visitors and held the Toyota Research Institute Expo. The company explained approaches to solving three major social problems: aging society, climate change, and human understanding, and presented the main areas of research to solve them, such as energy and materials, artificial intelligence, machine learning, as well as robotics, which should make people's daily life easier and more pleasant. Toyota engineers are paying a lot of attention to creating a robot for the home. They are not yet confident that they can solve the problem because of its level of complexity. Scientists understand that so far we do not have universal humanoids. They try to rearrange furniture, make a mess, and see how the robot handles it. Google never ceases to amaze. DeepMind showed off the humanoid robotic football players they are currently developing. And the developers declared that this is the real embodiment of intelligence. The robots are able to kick the ball, score, go around, and push the opponent. These robots are not afraid of physical contact. They do not try to avoid collisions and can rise quickly. And most importantly, they are incredibly purposeful. This is what brings them closer to embodied intelligence. The University of Texas Robotics Laboratory has also begun researching humanoid robots. The developers hope to create a universal robot based on their Draco research robot to help in offices and homes. Another mechanics and robotics laboratory at the University of California, Los Angeles, has shared the progress of its humanoid robot Artemis. The lab staff is now focused on studying humanoid robot movement strategies. Engineers have made significant progress in this area. This robot will be the main development platform for the lab for the next 10 years. A team of engineers at Carnegie Mellon University's Robotics Institute has developed a method that will allow robot dogs to walk on narrow beams. To do this, two reaction wheel drives were installed on one of the robots, and they are usually used to adjust the angular momentum of the satellites. When either of the robot's legs are on the beam, the pair of jet wheel actuators automatically compensate for any changes in its center of gravity. In laboratory tests, the robot was not only able to walk about 3 meters on a 6-centimeter wide wooden beam, but it also survived attempts to push it down. Moreover, when falling upside down from a height of about half a meter, the robot was even able to flip in the air and land on its 4 robotic legs. Thanks for watching this video. Write in the comments what you liked the most in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also watch our previous videos. Goodbye.